Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp media. So, if you accidentally deleted some crucial photos, don't panic. We understand your current situation and have created this guide to help. Here, we will walk you through several solutions on how to recover deleted photos from WhatsApp with or without third-party software. It does not matter if you're tech savvy or not. Just keep on watching. Since WhatsApp usually downloads media files to the Photos app by default, the first thing you should do in this kind of situation is to check your phone's Photos app to see whether the deleted photos are still there. First, open the gallery of Google Photos app on your Android phone and locate WhatsApp media under Albums. You should see the deleted WhatsApp photos if they've not been deleted from your Android device's gallery. The second option, download deleted photos from WhatsApp via phone storage. Fortunately, WhatsApp usually saves user data to phone storage on Android devices. If you've deleted WhatsApp photos, there is a high chance you can find them in your phone storage. The only problem is that you might find it challenging to find the specific photos. First, open File Explorer or My Files on your Android. Then, tap on Internal Memory or Internal Storage. Now, find WhatsApp folder and tap on it. Then, select WhatsApp file and tap on Media and tap WhatsApp Image to view all photos sent and received on your WhatsApp. Another option, if you can't find the photos in your device's Photos or Gallery app, you can ask the person or someone in a group you shared the picture with on WhatsApp to send them to you. However, this will only work if you did not select the Delete for Everyone option when deleting the photos. On Delete for Me, this means the photo, text, or files on WhatsApp will only be deleted on your phone. And the second option, for Delete Everyone, photos, texts, and whatever is shared with your contact will be deleted for you and the person you're chatting. Recovering deleted WhatsApp photos is not difficult in this era. And the last option, recover deleted WhatsApp image via backup. WhatsApp backup is another reliable approach to recovering deleted WhatsApp image. However, you need to ensure your WhatsApp data was backed up before the image were deleted. On Android, uninstall and install the WhatsApp application on your Android. Launch the WhatsApp and then set your account using the same phone number and verify it. Your WhatsApp backup should be restored within a few minutes. Afterward, you can check for the deleted photos in your chats. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.